I'm bored with see my uncle. Put something short on you. I have to put it, but you have to give me first. Vincent, who teaching you Tagalog? Who teach you, I mean? Ilonggo, wala talaga. Nag-practice ka. Vincent, do you have girlfriend? I'm half Pinoy. Oh, you're half Pinoy.
Paren bayar, Habib.
Shabuhay mo.
Dahil saboy. Saboy.
Kamang toy. One.
Da.
Who want to talk with me? I'm bored. Talk about it. I forgot. I know how to dance, but only in TikTok like this. Where did you get your beauty? I tell your mom, thank you for me. My mom's doing laundry. See? Is doing laundry. And I'm going to laundry too. Laundry! Guys, you see me so white here, but I'm not white. I am Morena. Morena yarn! Tell her she did going to good job, very ganda. La 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 la. Miss Universe Philippines, hindi ako Miss Universe Sydney, Australia. Don't forget tap guys.